Hey everyone, the DOOGEE Tab A9 Pro Plus emerges as a compelling new entry in the affordable tablet market, combining modern design, practicality, and a user-friendly experience tailored especially for students, educators, and mobile professionals. As a product of DOOGEE, a brand with over 16 years of experience crafting budget-friendly and rugged smart devices, the Tab A9 Pro Plus seeks to bridge the gap between functionality and cost-effectiveness, offering premium features without the premium price. At first glance, the Tab A9 Pro Plus impresses with its sleek metal unibody construction. The design is elegant and minimalistic, with smooth curved edges that make it both comfortable to hold and suitable for professional environments. Despite its solid build, it maintains a lightweight profile, making it easy to carry between meetings, classes, or commutes. It clearly reflects DOOGEE's intent to offer a tablet that looks and feels more expensive than it actually is. One of the tablet's standout features is its 11-inch IPS HD display. The screen delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors that make it ideal for multimedia consumption, document editing, web browsing, and even casual reading. For those spending long hours on the device, DOOGEE has included eye care features that automatically adapt brightness and color temperature to reduce eye fatigue, something especially beneficial for students during long study sessions or users attending extended virtual meetings. Battery life is another major strength of the A9 Pro Plus. Armed with an 8,580 mAh battery, this is especially valuable for users on the move or in settings where access to charging isn't always convenient. Whether it's back-to-back Zoom meetings, lectures, or video streaming, the Tab A9 Pro Plus is designed to keep up without interruption. The addition of Face Unlock adds a layer of convenience and security, allowing quick access without typing passwords, a thoughtful touch for busy users. Under the hood, while DOOGEE hasn't disclosed the exact chipset, the tablet offers reliable day-to-day performance thanks to its 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The storage is expandable via microSD. The tablet runs on Android 15, delivering a more modern and streamlined interface, improved multitasking, and broad compatibility with current apps. DOOGEE offers the Tab A9 Pro Plus in 2 distinct packages, a standard edition and a VIP edition. The standard edition includes just the tablet, while the VIP edition transforms the device into a full productivity suite by including a stylus, leather cover, Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, and screen protector. This bundle essentially converts the tablet into a budget-friendly laptop alternative, especially useful for note-taking, typing, and mobile office work. The Tab A9 Pro Plus excels as a flexible, low-cost solution for learning, communication, and basic productivity. Its large display, long-lasting battery, and well-integrated accessories make it a solid choice for students and professionals alike. While it doesn't aim to rival flagship tablets in raw power, it excels in offering a balanced experience for everyday tasks at a fraction of the price. Currently, the DOOGEE Tab A9 Pro Plus is being offered with enticing promotional deals. For international customers, the official DOOGEE store offers the device for $116 with a 35% off code KOLA9, along with a generous 2-year warranty and a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. These deals make the Tab A9 Pro Plus a standout value proposition in today's competitive tablet market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.